Hi, San Antonio. Manuel Rubio with Miracle Body and Paint. I'm celebrating my 40th anniversary. It all started here at 831 Isam on January 1st, 1986. Here we are 40 years later. To me, it seems like it was just yesterday. And this is where we are now. We've been blessed with a 6-acre campus that offers collision repair, auto glass replacement, auto rentals, automotive mechanical repairs, and auto detailing. You know, we've continued to serve the community for 40 years. We've grown to 2 locations. We've grown from 0 technicians to 30 technicians. We are Miracle Automotive 2026, celebrating our 40th anniversary. Thanks to you, San Antonio. Thanks to you for supporting us for so many years. We're glad that we've saved San Antonians millions and millions of dollars in deductibles, in customer pay tickets, in free auto rentals, in 0% financing. We do it all to help you. We exist because of you, San Antonio. Thank you for 40 blessed, wonderful years of business and living in our community. Thank you for letting us serve you and your families. And we look forward to the next 40 years. God bless you and Happy New Year.